SHOP stock analysis and price predictions for Wednesday. It's Shopify stock buy. I'll be breaking all of it down in this very brief short 1 minute video. Now, look, this is looking so good. Like, I really like it. It's just that I'm not going to start buying randomly, and these targets are still going to be my targets. Well, how the heck would I take advantage of this? Now, I'm the only guy in this space with an actual track record of 44,000 videos and 5 years of experience, so I have seen what's working for me and what's not, especially with Shopify. It's just that I must see the price pull down into my demand before I look to take it anything further higher. Bro, without this, honestly, nothing freaking matters. Like, nothing matters. It must pull down and it must give me that shift in order for me to continue taking things further higher. Everything else was just random. We're just going to be random stuff, you know, random BS. So all I'm doing is I'm waiting for rules. That's Shopify. Also, I do have not much receipts. I don't know why it's not showing here in the Discord regarding Shopify. There's so much videos made with me on this. But yeah, like, still, it must pull down in order for me to take it up. If you want to get my free money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description, and I'll see you in the next one.